In this video, I will show you how to draw a circle around text in Word document on your computer. You can easily move the circle and resize the circle like this wherever you want. Let's get started. To draw a circle, go up to the Insert option, Shapes, and select the oval shape under the Basic Shapes. Then draw a circle. Right click on the circle, click on Format Shapes. Under the field, select No Fill. And if you want to change the line color, change it from here under Line, and you can also increase the thickness of the line like this. You can resize the circle if needed, and you can place it anywhere on the text. Like the video and comment below if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to subscribe and check out these useful videos shown on screen. See you again in the next videos.